Data is your friend. Selling is a relatively emotional roller coaster of yeses and nos and rejections and celebrations. Feelings are not facts, but data is. Anytime you have a question about whether or not you're on target with your target market, is February the best time of year for you to really sell? Are you hitting your big goals for the end of the year? Data is your friend. Love your data. Pay attention to your data. Anytime you're feeling bad in business, at least for me, I go to my data. If it doesn't make me feel better, it tells me how I can. Data is your friend. If you enjoyed what I had to say today, please let me know. Leave me a comment, subscribe, hit the thumbs up button, cute emojis, those bitmojis, all of the good things. Maybe some bad. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know your feelings. I'd love your feedback.